Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on your console and then select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. Now if you have another secondary account, then log in with that and then check if that works or not. Solution 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then launch the game and check which one work for you. Solution 5 is to enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab, turn off enable HDCP and then check problem solve or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Solution 6 is to change console language. So open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to the language section, then select your current language and then try changing it to English or any other language and see if that works or not. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and then select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. And then launch the Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 8 is to delete the game data and cache. Now here you have to make a note that you have to backup this saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Select Dragon Quest VII Reimagined and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Select your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and then choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose don't specify for DHCP host name and in the DNS setting choose manual. And then enter the primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. For the proxy server choose do not use and then save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS you can enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS you can enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then relaunch the game again and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall the game and then reinstall and then check. If that doesn't work, then if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.